Smile big. So this morning we docked here in the Netherlands, and this country is home to 17 million people and 22 million bikes. Now, the capital is Amsterdam. That's where we are here now. And this is our first stop here on the Norwegian Prima. It was originally supposed to be Bruges, but the high tides prevented us from going in there. Then we were supposed to arrive last night. Strong winds, which you may be hearing some of that right now, prevented us from coming in. But it was pretty cool last night, so we got to come in through the largest sea locks in the world. And we arrived late last night, so we could get off first thing here this morning. We're gonna go on a tour. We're gonna see the windmills of Zaanse Schans, Edam, and see how we can make some cheese and wooden shoes. And then we're gonna explore the city.
Our first stop today are the windmills at Zaanse Schans.
The next stop on our tour today is at Simonehoeve, and we're going to learn how to make some cheese and wooden shoes.
One cow per day can give about 8 gallons of milk. Now, for 2 pounds of cheese, you need about 2.5 gallons of milk. So when the milk comes here, goes in the barrel. On the outside, there's a double wall. We put in hot water. When it reaches 85 Fahrenheit or 29 Celsius, we add a very strong enzyme called rennet. Rennet makes the milk very thick, like yogurt. Now we can cut the milk. We do so with 3 knives that slowly move through the barrel. You know, not by hand, in the machine. Yeah, half an hour will do. And we have a liquid part, which is the whey, and a solid part is the curd. Now the whey we give back to the cow, even pigs love it for digestion. Even in the sports schools, yeah, in powder form for us human beings, lots of protein. What you get here, Schwarzenegger.
We see that.
Yeah, in the back you can't see, but the lady here goes, wow. You did wow.
Wow.
So, is that your husband?
Are you available?
Can you take over, please? Right, this is hard, right? Now, touch, man, touch. Yeah. You see? Now, if you have a problem, 4 hours, boom.
Oh, okay.
And then we are free.
All right.
He's suing you. He's gonna sue you. Now, we have the slices, everybody. Look, for young cheese, a little bit older cheese, and for grating. You know? Here. See? Let's make America great again. That's a good one, right? You like that one, right? Yeah. Now use with your husband, your son. Yeah. Don't eat it all alone.
Okay.
No, be nice.
All right.
Yeah. With him, you can do like the film with the dogs, you know. Not here. I'm working. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, now in the 12th century, the people were so poor they couldn't afford to buy leather shoes, so they made them of wood, poplar wood, which is light, it's strong, it's waterproof, and it's very solid. But as there was no machines, it had to be all done by hand. Look here, the outside, yeah, scrape off, or the inside. A craftsman could make 2 pairs one day only. Many centuries later, the machines came, one day 200 pairs. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take a piece of poplar wood. It is wet. Why is it wet? It works better. Look, you see? Look what becomes of this block of wood. We're going to put it in the machine and it's going to make a copy and a new shoe. Here we go. Okay, now, this is what became of it, right? So now what's missing is the hole. Yeah, we do that on the other machine here. Okay, everybody, now this needs to dry 3-4 weeks out in the open, not in the sun, and after we can sand, polish, paint and varnish.
That's a good one. How is it? Now we're walking through the Dutch town of Edam, famous for their shipbuilding and their cheese.
Amsterdam is known as Venice of the North because of its many canals, and the best way to see the city is on a canal cruise, which we're gonna go do right now. We really had a great day today in Amsterdam. I enjoyed spending the day out there, and I gotta tell you, this terminal is new, clean. When we exited the gangway, we were able to go right down the escalator onto the bus under a covered area. Yeah, and when we got back to the ship, we went and had some dinner, and then we went and played the Brain Race game show.
We're gonna show you a little bit right here.
This is gonna be easy. Okay. Quick math. Player number 2, player number 4. 5 times 8.
40.
1 point. 1 point. No, 3. This is gonna be 3. This is gonna be 3. 9 times 7.
63.
Last one. 5 times 1.
5.
Okay, there you go. Okay, who gets the point? Okay, contestant number 4, you are gonna be advancing. First contestants in 3, 2, 1. Go. We have A clown, B, C spur. 3 said it's spur, and 1 said, player number 4 said it's D, spat. Are you ready for the answer?
He's so far so good.
Okay, Fidesz right here is gonna reveal the answer. The correct answer is... Oh, there you go. Spat. Player number... Ladies and gentlemen, with a total score of 5 points. Yes, he advanced 5 steps forward. Give it up for Mark!
Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe because next up we've got Bergen, Norway, and we're going to be exploring the Hardanger Fjord. And as always, remember,
Life is short and cruising is fun.
we'll see you next time.
So this morning we docked here in the Netherlands, and this country is home to 17 million, is it 17 or 19? 17, yeah.
Amsterdam is known as the Venice of the North because of... Alright, one more time. Alright.
This is a really nice terminal here. Okay, now you can say, that's fine.
Probably do that again.
You think so?
That the man wants to marry has to carve out his own wedding shoe, right? Take him a while, a month at least, but a month to think. You didn't think a lot. You said, skip him, I take me, you yourself. Do try the marijuana, it's not legal. Okay? It's not, it's legal. Yeah? And you can try the wine. You like wine? Oh shit.
She whines all the time.